What's up, everybody? It's been another busy day. Today I had 145 stops. I'm currently on stop 123, so we're almost done. I've been getting so many stops lately that I haven't really had time to stop and do any video. Last week we were short a couple people, and I'm pretty sure I had one of the longer routes, and so I ended up getting 216 stops. So since I haven't been able to shoot any video today, I'm gonna do a couple of tips that I've learned the last couple weeks for how to be a little bit faster when you're on your route. First, I've been organizing my totes a little bit differently when I unpack my packages. Also, keep in mind that I'm in the step van, so I have a lot more space. Plus, I have some pretty big shelves to work with. I was sorting by driver ID number, which if you didn't know, it's this little number on each package. But now I put my boxes there, envelopes here, and plastic bags right there. And then from there, I'll use my rabbit and go down all the stops and then use the driver ID number to put everything in order. So here are my next few stops, and then if my next stop is an envelope, I'll put it right here on the dash so it's quick to grab. And then that's a stop, that. This way I can just follow the map, and then I already have everything organized, so I can just come back, grab what I need. And then like I said, sometimes if I have a few small ones in a row, I'll put them on the dash, or the step vans have this nice little table, so I'll put them right there. That way I'm spending less time looking for packages and more time just dropping everything off. I don't know if this actually works, but over the last couple of days I've been doing it like this, and I feel like it's made me just a little bit quicker. Okay, my next tip, always make sure you know where your next stop is. I only have 5 stops left, but I'm looking at my rabbit. I know that after this stop on this street, I'm gonna need to turn right, and then I go down on the same street, left, and then right. That way you just have a general idea in your head of which way you need to turn, so you don't have to turn around. Okay, just finished my route. This is the part of my day where I get to sit on the tiny chair and wait to hear if I'm gonna get a rescue. Okay, for tip number 3, always sprint everywhere. I'm just kidding. Don't sprint. You're gonna get tired, you're gonna hurt yourself. Walk fast, but make sure you take breaks, drink a lot of water. I feel like my fastest days are actually the days where I make sure I eat a snack, make sure I drink a lot of water. Hopefully I'm able to find a lot of porta potties. But yeah, some people will say they sprint, that's how they're so fast. You're just gonna hurt yourself. You're just gonna tire yourself out. So yeah, I guess tip number 3, make sure you take care of yourself. What's the saying? Smooth is fast, fast is smooth. Be smooth and you'll be fast. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. That doesn't make any sense. Basically, it's okay to take your time. 145 stops today, by the way. Not bad. I think I had 287 packages, so kind of a lot. But I had 2 apartments that were like 60 packages and then like 37 packages, so that was a big chunk right there. Okay, just got our rescue. Let's head there now. Looks like we're not quite done. 40 more stops. Looks like it's mostly in the neighborhoods. Well, everybody, we did it. We hit over 300 packages today. I don't think I've ever actually done that, but geez, by the time I get back to this station and clean out the van, it's gonna be 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. It'll be 11 hours. Just got the word that we're good to go home. There's the aftermath. 3 undeliverables. I don't even know how many totes. 40? No. 20? I don't know. I'm too tired to count. All right, everybody, that's our day. Hopefully those were some good tips for you to go a little bit quicker. That's it for me today. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching. All right, see ya.